Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue in Steam where you're unable to add a new Steam library folder. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Steam tab up in the top left and go down and select Settings. On the right side, you want to select where it says Clear Download Cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. Go ahead and select that. This will clear your local download cache and you will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to go ahead and select yes, or okay I should say. And now if you attempt to relaunch Steam, so now if you attempt to get back into Steam, you're going to have to enter back in your account name and password, and hopefully you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.